The Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender in dark gray is a powerhouse kitchen appliance that combines style, functionality, and performance. With a robust 1400 peak watts motor, this blender effortlessly crushes ice, purees fruits and vegetables, and blends smoothies to perfection. One of the standout features of the Ninja BN701 is its versatility, thanks to multiple speeds and pre-programmed settings that make it easy to achieve the desired consistency for various recipes. Whether you're making a silky smooth soup or a chunky salsa, this blender can handle it all with ease. The Pulse technology feature adds an extra layer of control, allowing you to quickly pulse ingredients for a precise texture. Additionally, the 64 fluid ounces capacity ensures you can make large batches of your favorite drinks or dishes without any hassle. Not only does the Ninja BN701 deliver top-notch performance, but it is also designed for convenience. The blender is dishwasher safe.
The Black Plus Decker 10-speed countertop blender is a reliable kitchen appliance that offers both functionality and convenience. With its sleek black design that fits well in any kitchen, this blender is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also practical for everyday use. One of the standout features of this blender is its adjustable speed control, allowing users to customize blending speeds based on their specific needs. Whether you're looking to blend smoothies, sauces, or soups, the 10-speed settings offer versatility and precision to achieve the desired consistency every time. In terms of capacity, the 48 fluid ounces pitcher provides an ample amount of space to prepare larger batches of your favorite recipes without the need for multiple blending cycles. The size of the blender itself, with dimensions of 8.5 inches in diameter, 9.92 inches in width, and 13.5 inches in height, makes it compact enough to fit on any countertop without taking up excessive space.
The Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender for shakes and smoothies is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to meet your blending needs with style and convenience. Featuring a sleek, stainless steel color, this blender from Hamilton Beach is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also packed with features that make it a standout product. One of the key highlights of this blender is its multiple speeds, allowing you to customize the blending process based on your ingredients and desired consistency. Whether you're making a thick smoothie or a creamy shake, the various speed options enable you to achieve the perfect blend every time. The removable glass container adds to the practicality of this blender, making it easy to clean and maintain hygiene standards. The pour spout feature is a thoughtful addition that enhances convenience, allowing you to pour your blended creations without any spills or mess. With a generous capacity of 40 fluid ounces, the Hamilton Beach Wave Crusher Blender.
The NutriBullet Personal Blender for Shakes is a versatile kitchen appliance that offers convenience and efficiency for users looking to create healthy and delicious shakes on the go. This blender, designed by NutriBullet, comes in an elegant gray color that complements any kitchen decor. One of the standout features of this product is its portability, making it an ideal choice for individuals with busy lifestyles. The compact design of the NutriBullet Personal Blender allows users to enjoy freshly blended shakes wherever they are, whether at homework or while traveling. With a capacity of 1.5 pounds, this blender offers enough space to accommodate various ingredients for your favorite shakes. The product dimensions of 5.5 RD into 5.5 W into 7.9 H make it easy to store on countertops or in cabinets without taking up too much space. In conclusion, the NutriBullet Personal Blender for Shakes is a reliable and efficient appliance that caters to the needs of individuals seeking a portable.
The Ninja BL 770 Mega Kitchen System is a versatile powerhouse designed to meet the diverse needs of the modern kitchen. With its robust 1500W motor and innovative design, this product excels in providing exceptional performance across its range of functions, including smoothie making, food processing, dough mixing, and drink preparation. One of the standout features of the Ninja BL 770 is its manual operation, giving users full control over the blending and processing tasks. This manual feature allows for precision and customization, empowering users to achieve their desired results with ease. Measuring at 15.75 inches in diameter, 11.1 inches in width, and 18.07 inches in height, the Ninja BL770 boasts a spacious design that accommodates various ingredients and quantities. Its generous 4-pound bowl capacity enables users to prepare large batches of food or drinks, making it ideal for both everyday use and entertaining guests. Available in a sleek and stylish black color,
the Magic Bullet Blender, small silver 11-piece set by Magic Bullet, is a versatile kitchen appliance suitable for various purposes. The sleek silver and black color combination adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop. With special features including the ability to make salsa, cocktails, ground coffee, smoothies, and grated cheese, this blender offers a wide range of options for culinary creations. With a capacity to hold up to 1.4 pounds of ingredients, the Magic Bullet Blender is compact yet powerful. Its product dimensions of 4.5 inches in diameter, 4 inches in width, and 11.8 inches in height make it a space-saving solution for blending tasks. Whether you're looking to whip up a quick smoothie for breakfast or grind coffee beans for a fresh brew, this blender is up to the task. The 11-piece set includes everything you need to get started right away, from blending cups to various blade attachments. The Magic Bullet Blender is easy to use, clean, and store.
The Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender is a versatile appliance that excels at blending shakes and smoothies with ease. Featuring durable stainless steel ice saber blades, this blender efficiently crushes ice and blends ingredients to perfection. Its multiple speed settings allow you to customize the blending process according to your needs, whether you prefer a quick pulse or a smooth puree. The 40 fluid ounce capacity makes it suitable for preparing single servings or larger batches, catering to different requirements. Measuring at 8.66 inches in diameter, 8.5 inches in width, and 14.69 inches in height, this blender is compact enough to fit on most kitchen countertops without occupying excessive space. The sleek stainless steel design adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. Overall, the Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender is a reliable and efficient appliance that offers excellent performance for creating delicious shake smoothies.
The Ninja BL 610 Professional 72 ounces. Countertop blender is a powerhouse kitchen appliance that effortlessly blends performance and convenience. With a robust 1,000-watt base and total crushing technology, this blender is designed to crush ice, whole fruits, and vegetables with ease, making it ideal for creating smoothies, shakes, and more. The 72-ounce pitcher provides ample capacity for preparing large batches of beverages, perfect for accommodating multiple servings or larger families. Additionally, the lightweight design of the blender ensures easy handling and storage without compromising its power and durability. Measuring at 10.71 inches in diameter, 8.27 inches in width, and 15.94 inches in height, the Ninja BL 610 strikes a balance between a compact footprint and generous container size, fitting well on most kitchen countertops without taking up excessive space. The black color scheme of the blender gives it a sleek and modern appearance that complements various kitchen styles.